Yeah, I'm spoiled. My friend bought it for me. I'll show you. So maybe more like out to the side, playing with your hair, because you've got such beautiful long hair.
Like lay.
Yeah, but rather than lean back, lean more forward. Yeah, that's it. And have it. Yeah. It's just because otherwise your face kind of leans all the back and I get up your nose. And although I know that, oh, that's perfect. I'm just gonna move your back. Is that okay?
Yeah, of course.
Sorry, I'm all about like, are you okay? Are you okay? Because like,
that's good.
Perfect. I love this. Your skin is stunning.
I don't know. I've actually never been like here in the park.
Oh really?
Before.
I always come up here, and normally if you want to find me, I'm sat there editing.
Yeah. Oh sure.
Because it's my friend lives like a little bit like a tram ride down there.
Yeah.
But I walk the whole way. Maybe I want to see where there's light coming in. Yeah, here I think, because I can get the trees, and I'll put my bag down so you can put yours on top so it doesn't get dirty.
That's okay.
There you go. I think maybe play with some shadows.
Yeah.
So have you here? I know you're going to look into the sun, but you're not.
There? Or...
Yeah, in this, so like think of it like, I want to try and get, because your skin's really good. So I can see, oh, this is better, I think.
Ooh.
Yeah, we get the tree and the, so let's put, let me move my things. 1 second. I'll do some on film. Do you want me to take some on your phone quickly so you can see you're having a shoot for your own social media? Let's recreate this. So we bring a bit more, see this hand, that's it there. I'm gonna, she's a queen. She knows what she's doing. Get that sun in. Okay, turn the head ever so slightly this way now. That's it, that video. Lift it up higher. You're perfect. You're perfect. I move around you. Oh, there, that's the one. The wind is giving main character and I'm loving it. I'm gonna be like editing for hours of it. This is not a problem.
Nice.
Okay. Oh look, the light's really soft here. So maybe there is, make sure there's no bugs. Yeah, get steady first. Don't worry about, get your feet steady. Safety first. Yeah. Oh no, I killed somebody. I have insurance.
Got some photos.
Okay, with the hand up for that. That's it. That's. Make sure I don't want to blow out your skin because you end up looking really pale. You said. Is it always? Just bring it up, covering that eye so you don't hurt your eyes too much. Perfect. I just want to take some shots here of you, just posing for me. Just some nice sort of natural. Beautiful. Maybe like this, and then also, if it's okay, maybe have you sitting. I can edit this out, and we can have you here as well. Yeah. Okay. I love this. I love this in autumn as well because it goes bright red. That's so nice there. Just gonna. Hopefully, I hope you're not allergic to anything. So I'm just using your head to cut out the sign. And then we could do maybe some full body where you're holding onto it. Let me go 24 and shoot like this instead. Look. Yes. Oh, that where you push that hip, that's fantastic. Bring some of the hand round so we don't get both hands like the Jesus pose. You know, like, I don't know what else you call it. And then tilt the head more this way. That's it. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, have you there and I'll shoot through. Eyes to me. Look at you. Ooh! Do you want to do some more?
That's so cool.
I don't like damaging any part of nature. Sometimes I see people like rip things, and yeah, so I always film behind the scenes so I don't get in trouble. You could do shoots here, and no one would know what this is. I'm gonna do one. Where am I? Pull it out. Say, this is actually the location.
Exactly. Yeah, but that's actually funny.
Yeah. Let's just. Oh, I love that with the pockets. That's fantastic. And then I'm gonna do the one like, this is actually where we are. Maybe we could have you standing. Can you stand here? Yeah. Do you want some help? Are you okay?
Yep.
Right. As long as you're okay. Maybe, in fact, perfect, just, it's there. So I just need some, Can you do a slight, I don't want to damage your trousers on this. This isn't spiky, oh, it's a little spiky. Be really careful of your trousers, okay? Oh my God, the light is so good on you right now. Right, I'm getting your phone because you need a picture. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I'm like that mum, right?
Yeah, but I love it. I love it.
Fantastic. Maybe move you down, or if you can, I don't want to trash your trousers because that's spiky. Oh, you're so young. I'd be like on the floor in the fetal position. It's just here because you see that light coming round?
Yeah, okay, so. Yeah.
Yeah. Are you okay up there?
Yeah.
Good. Tell you're a dancer. Oh, that's it there. Ah, that's it, that there. Oh my God, it's fantastic. Feel free to move and I will move.